So for setting your header piece, the first thing you're going to want to do is find where you have 8 feet from the base of your cup down to the bottom of your foundation where your hoops sit. The next thing you're going to want to do is take a measurement between your cups. This measurement will vary from greenhouse to greenhouse because of the bends of the pipe. What you want to do is measure to where the pipe will sit in this cup. In this case, it's going to be 19 feet and 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so the next step, now that we've cut our header piece to length, is we attach the cup down on the ground, making sure our tack screw is going to be facing the inside of our greenhouse. Now we'll attach it to our brace band. And then we'll want to make sure that we put another 3/4 inch tack screw into this brace band to hold it into place. We'll tighten this down, check it for level, and we should be good to go. So now we're getting ready to put in our door frame pieces. We have our 2 3/8 inch pipe. We have our T-bracket assembly connected to it, and what you'll notice is we connected the T-bracket assembly at about 45 degrees. This way when we lay our channel on the outside of this pipe, these screws won't be in the way, and also it makes a cleaner edge right here. So the way we do this is we already have our foundation figured out at 8 feet for our opening. So we just come up nice and level and we'll attach it here. When it comes time to put in your upper supports, you just want them spaced nice and evenly. And at this angle, it'll support the center of the header bar. Go ahead and attach these. And remember to put a 3/4 inch tack screw on each connection point in the back.